there, welcome back to Gear Up with Gregg. I'm Angela, I'll be your host for today, and in this episode, we're going to talk about how you can save some money and make your workday a little bit more comfortable with Edgewood Matting. Do you have any idea what the real cost of dirt is? According to a study done by 3M, for every 1 pound of dirt that gets tracked into a building, it could cost up to $500 to remove. $500! Now that's a lot of money for dirt. What's even more surprising is that up to 24 pounds of dirt can be tracked into a building by just 1,000 employees or customers over a month's time. That means that each month it could cost you up to $12,000 for dirt removal. And without adequate protection, up to 42% of a floor's finish can be removed in the first day alone.
Wow.
Well, Edgewood Matting has a solution. These COCO mats are designed to aggressively remove dirt and moisture at the door, keeping your building cleaner so you can save all that money and spend it on something more important than dirt. Ranging in size from 18 by 30 inches all the way up to 48 by 72 inches. They all come in this natural brown color, so the dirt just blends right in. Moving on, these VALUEFLEX mats are a great way to contain dirt to one area. The flow-through holes allow for drainage and evaporation of moisture, increasing safety by eliminating pooled water on the floor's surface and preventing slips and falls. An added benefit of these is that they double as anti-fatigue matting, saving your body from the painful effects of standing on a hard surface for long periods of time. Sore and tired workers can result in a decrease in productivity and an increase in workplace accidents, which is obviously no good for business. VALUEFLEX matting is well suited for entrances and anywhere that workers are subject to long periods of standing in one area, such as workstations, cashier counters, and assembly lines. They are available in 3-foot by 3-foot modular sections and connect together, allowing you to customize the size and shape of the matting to your specific needs. And they are also available in a solid format without the holes. Additionally, they are made with 34% recycled content, helping your workplace be a little greener. Our last Edgewood matting product is their WIDERIB rubber matting. These are typically used as floor protectors to increase floor life as well as to cut down on cleaning costs. At Gregg's, we carry rolls in both 3-foot and 4-foot widths. Since they are sold by the foot, we are happy to cut it into whichever length you may need. They are perfect for use as runner mats, boot mats, or even as a low-cost toolbox liner. Edgewood Matting has been providing quality industrial, oilfield, and residential matting since 1979 and is a fellow Canadian company with headquarters right here in Gregg's very own hometown of Edmonton, Alberta. Well, that's it for today. If you have any further questions about the matting options that we carry here at Gregg's, don't hesitate to call into our order desk or visit our website. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time on Gear Up with Gregg.